Hey everybody, the John Bead Christmas Curiosities subscription bead box has arrived. It is called Glitzmas and it is going to blow your holiday mind. I just weighed the box and it is over 1.5 pounds of the most beautiful beads you have ever seen. If your holidays are all about pinks and pastels, it's in the box. If it's traditional colors, also in the box. If you have a nephew or a niece or a mom who loves beading and you want to give them the most amazing gift for the holidays, give them the John Bead Curiosities bead box as a gift. They will love it. Every single month, the box will arrive with a ton of the most unique beads that you have ever seen. And let me tell you something, this Glitzmas box is so amazing. You're gonna love it. I have to start off by telling you that this box weighs over 1.5 pounds. Here we go. Every box greets you with a beautiful postcard of the theme. This month, it's Glitzmas. The box is definitely a gift from John Bead Heaven. The first hot pink organza bag contains a Czech Victorian colored bead mix of niblets and Czech flowers with cream AB donut beads from the Crystal Lane collection. This black bag is pure Barbiecore Christmas. With black, gold, and hot pink, included are 2 enamel flower leaf clover charms. Next, a pastel Christmas with rare Czech ladybug beads and pastel pink and green Czech beads. This blue bag has a mix of blue and clear Czech glass and Japanese bugles that resemble icicles. This bag has a blush Christmas theme with a mix of squares, leaves, pumpkins, and stars with hints of metallic silver and glints of gold. How about a Grinchy colored Czech glass mix of orange, white, bright green, just for fun? For a retro Christmas, we mixed two-tone fire polished Czech beads, silver bellflowers, and striped Czech hearts. These red, silver, and green metallic acrylic beads look just like tiny ornaments. John Bead also includes 2 pieces of memory wire cut to create your holiday bangles. This iridescent Ziploc has 2 full Christmas strands, as well as a wreath charm and a kilt pin. Here's a small findings kit. Make your own rhinestone bracelet with 13 vintage Preciosa mint green chatons. Simply use a popsicle stick to bend down the arms to set the stones. Look at these beautiful tubes containing silver-lined beads to look like Christmas lights, a traditional mix of seed bead and bugle beads, and glass rounds with gold leaf and 2 emerald green chatons. This is super special. Vintage sequins in cream and a small vintage container with crystals from the 1950s from Swarovski. Here's 1 meter of gold chain to make a ton of Christmas bracelets. Here's a gingerbread man, a trumpet, wooden star, and holly berry button. Finally, a snowflake form and 7 rubber clutches for the ends to make a beautiful beaded snowflake. Here's an extra Glitzmas sticker and your monthly collectible button. This is a Glitzmas box. I'm going to leave a link for this subscription box in the description below. Make sure to head over to John Bead before the December Glitzmas box sells out.